Scots, and happy Friday. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Scots Weekly. Let's jump into today's announcements. First up, Highlands Theater Department recently took 12 students to the Peg Poly High School Shakespeare Festival at Bakersfield College, where they placed first. Additionally, 8 students earned medals for outstanding performance in an ensemble scene. 4 students from Highland participated in the monologues and short scenes portion of the competition, with Highland winning first and second place in monologues. Congratulations to all students who attended the event. Go Scots! Second, Highlands Art Club had an outstanding showing at Via Arte this past weekend. Mrs. Mayo, Miss Sonder, and Miss Mayo are excited to share that Highlands team won Best Overall School for the second consecutive year. Adding to the celebration, the team also earned the People's Choice Awards. The talented students worked with the passion and determination from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., demonstrating their exceptional creativity. A huge congratulations to the art department and these hardworking artists. Finally, sign up for the lip sync event happening on November 14th, 2024 at 6 p.m. at the Wall. Scan the QR code to register and get ready to shine on stage. It's time for a quick break. Check out this video from the PAC team.
Hello Scots, my name is Diego Hernandez and I'm part of the Pride Advocacy Center. Today I stand before you to address a topic that weighs heavily on our hearts and our society: hate and discrimination. In a world that is more interconnected than ever, we must confront the ugly realities of prejudice and intolerance that continue to divide us.
Hey Scots, I'm Aiden Martinez, and I want to inform you that hate is not an abstract concept. It manifests in acts of violence, in the words we use, and the way we treat one another. It thrives on ignorance and fear, seeking to undermine our shared humanity. Discrimination, whether based on race, gender, sexuality, religion, or any other identity, robs individuals of their dignity and potential. It tells them they are less deserving of the respect and opportunity simply because of who they are.
Hi, my name is Daviana Carmona, and we have the power to change this narrative. We have the power to choose empathy over apathy, understanding over judgment, and love over hate. It starts with each of us. We must educate ourselves and challenge our own biases, recognizing that diversity is not a threat, but a strength. When we embrace our differences, we enrich our communities and foster innovation.
Hi Scots, my name is Brooklyn Black. Let us remember that the fight against hate is not just a responsibility of those who are targeted. It's a collective effort. It requires each of us to speak out when we witness injustice and to stand in solidarity with those who are marginalized, and to advocate for policies that promote equality and inclusion.
Hi, my name is Nancy Adaka. As we move forward, let us commit creating spaces where everyone feels safe and valued. Let us celebrate our shared humanity, understanding that our strength lies in the ability to love another despite our differences. Together, we could build a world where hate and discriminations are relics of the past. A world where every individual is free to live authentically and pursue their dreams without fear. Thank you, Highland High School.
Welcome back, Scots. It's time for sports. Welcome to sports. Let's dive into some announcements. First up, girls soccer tryouts kicked off this Monday at the JV softball field. If you're interested in joining the team, don't miss this opportunity to play here at Highland with Coach Pedro. Second, the Lady Scots from the cross-country team competed in the Rough Rider Invitational this past weekend and placed 7th overall. Finally, if you don't have any plans after school today, the 3-on-3 basketball tournament is happening here at 4:15 in the gymnasium. There will be boys and girls divisions, and spectators are welcome to attend for just $2. Remember, Scots, if you're interested in playing a sport here at Highland, be sure to stop by the athletics office anytime. That's all for sports today. Now let's go with Soleil.
Who am I here with today?
CJ.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
Going to Jerry's Pizza, getting that iconic Jerry slice and turning up with Junior.
Okay, sounds like fun.
Maddox Sanchez.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
Scaring kids here because of the little event for agriculture.
Who am I here with today?
Kaylee.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
Trick-or-treating. Kaden Lozano.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
Well, my family runs this haunted house next to BC. Everyone should go check it out. It's free to get in, and we end at 12 a.m.
Who am I here with today?
Garrett Mendez.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
I'm gonna go out with my girlfriend. Gonna be some juggalos, juggalettes.
That's exciting.
Juan Pablo.
And what are your plans for Halloween?
So I have this really amazing hot dog costume, and I think I'm just wear that. It's gonna be really cool.
Elijah Legan.
Julian Jackson.
And what are you guys' plans for Halloween?
I'm gonna be trick-or-treating with my family and my little siblings.
Okay, exciting.
I'm gonna get all the candy. Just all the candy, man.
Okay. I'll watch out for you. Thank you.
Oh, me?
Kim. And what are your plans for Halloween?
Oh, I'm gonna be with my best friend.
Okay, what are you guys gonna be doing?
We're gonna watch movies and then we're gonna go walk around the neighborhood.
I'm gonna go take my sisters and them, you know what I'm saying, to down the street and stuff to, you know what I'm saying, go get some candy, you know what I'm saying? I might,
Trick or treating.
Amanda.
Sunny Delight. And what are you guys' plans for Halloween?
Probably just hang out with friends.
I'm gonna match with my best friend Tay, and we're gonna be Scooby-Doo and Shaggy.
That's so cute. I love that.
Thank you for watching, and always remember to plaid up.